so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Hey my lovelies, welcome and welcome to my channel African Jojo. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a new subscriber, please, thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't forget when we don't miss whenever I upload. Thank you so much. So today's video is about the food I have made for Thanksgiving, guys. Make sure you like if you enjoy this video and leave me a sweet comment. Yeah.
انت تسوي قرقر وايد انا اعرف.
انت واجد بعد.
لا انا شويه بس.
So I'm making meatballs here. Making meatballs, but in this style, like barbecue. So I just made the chicken and meat. I just put it, I press it on these small skewers, I think, small skewers. Yeah, so that is it, guys, for Thanksgiving. That's how we have spent it. We have celebrated it. That is our food we have made. I just made those chapatis. Then I put inside the meat. Those are the meatballs, but I made them like barbecue meat on skewers. So yummy, guys. You need to taste this. Guys. I made chicken and meat. Yeah, I made chicken and meat. It was so yummy. Oh my god, guys, you need to taste this. The Thanksgiving day, it just went well, guys. So you need to see also this, the donuts, the mini donuts. Yo, oh, look at that design.
خلاص
لا ما خلاص.
خلاص كيف صالون.
Wow, Thanksgiving. Yeah,
So that's me there. So make sure you subscribe, guys, if you enjoy the video, enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, tap on the dollar sign, that one. Don't forget, guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching until this end. African Jojo, one love. Yeah, peace.